Alright, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install a 56 volt Ego battery onto the reelCNC Gen 3 Conversion Kit. The kit that we sell at reelCNC is going to include this package with some things in it, and then this 3D printed part. We're not going to include the adapter, which will have a link to purchase. So this is the adapter. It comes with this piece and these two standoffs. We won't be using these, so you can get rid of them if you want to. And then all we're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver and then a 5/32 Allen wrench or driver. And you may need a sheathing stripper and cutter depending on if you want to shorten up your wires or not. So we'll get to first thing is we're going to empty our bag of parts here. And what we're going to do first is take this 3D printed part and our adapter, and everything's going to line up kind of like this. So these wires are going to go through this small hole here. I'll do that. Okay, now I've pulled the wires through. It's going to look something like this, and we just want to line up these holes. And we're going to take our 4 of these bolts and put them through both the adapter and the hole, and the bottom plate there. We're only going to use the 4 corners. I don't think we need 6 bolts for this, so there's only 4. Okay, and then at this point we're going to move our cord from our previous video out of the way. And your unit will probably only have 4 holes. This one has a couple extras since I was doing some prototyping here, but you're going to basically line these 4 bolts up with the 4 holes, and you're going to secure it by driving the bolts into the aluminum plate. If you're having issues getting any of these started, you probably need to take the bolt by itself and run it through the aluminum just to get any burrs out. Alright, now that we've got that secured, the kit comes with this connector. If you don't want to use this, you don't have to. You can just cut these wires. You can cut these and strip them and tie the red to the red and the black to the black. But just in case you ever want to change something later, we are going to supply this so that you can simply just connect this at the end. Makes it a little easier. Okay, now we're going to take the 2 wire nuts supplied with the kit, and we're just going to connect our red to red by pushing the wires into the wire nut, screwing it together, and then black and black. And then basically all we need to do is connect this. Now make sure you don't have your battery on here when you do this, which obviously I don't. And then there's a little slot in the back of this case here where we can put these 2 wires. So, and then we just neatly, fold everything into this box. And I failed to mention earlier that the box comes with a lid and 4 screws, which I forgot to put in there. So we're simply just going to put the lid on, take our Phillips screwdriver, and mount everything up. Then this is what things should look like. It might be slightly different on your kit because we're making some changes, but it should look pretty much just like this. And all you need to do now is slide your battery on. My tab to release the battery broke, so that's why this is jagged, but it basically will look like this. That's it.